Hello my dear students, today I am going to teach about coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is an important branch of mathematics. Let us define the coordinate geometry. The combination of algebra and geometry is known as coordinate geometry. Combination of algebra and geometry. The combination of algebra and geometry is known as coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, we discuss about unique plane that is called Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane is also known as Cartesian system, or it is also known as XY plane, or it is also known as coordinate plane. This is a plane and we have to discuss about Cartesian plane or XY plane or coordinate plane. We already know about horizontal line and vertical lines. This is horizontal line and this is vertical line. If horizontal line and vertical line draw together, then one unique plane is formed that is called Cartesian plane. X dash is a horizontal line, y dash is a vertical line, and this plane is called the Cartesian plane. So we can define the Cartesian plane when horizontal line and vertical line drawn together, they form a unique plane that is called Cartesian plane or XY plane. The point of intersection of both lines is called the origin. Origin is the point of intersection of horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal line is known as x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. Origin is not midpoint of coordinate axis. Coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis are called coordinate axis. Origin is not midpoint. Origin is the point of intersection of coordinate axis. Coordinate axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. Coordinate axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. OX is known as positive direction of x-axis. OX is known as positive direction of x-axis and OY is known as positive direction of y-axis. OX dash negative direction of x-axis, OY dash is negative direction of y-axis. Then coordinates. Next topic is coordinates. There are two types of coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. There are two types of coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. In Cartesian plane, there are four quadrants. This is known as first quadrant, and this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and it is fourth quadrant. There are four quadrants in a Cartesian plane. Coordinate axes divide a plane. Coordinate axes divide a plane into four equal parts, and each part is called quadrant. This is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth quadrant. Naming of the quadrants are in anti-clockwise. Naming of the quadrants are in anti-clockwise. There are two types of coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate is also known as abscissa, and y coordinate is also known as ordinate. Suppose there is a point A and there is a point B, there is point C and there is a point D. A, B, C, D are four points on the coordinate axis. X coordinate means distance, the distance of a point from y axis. Distance from y axis. X coordinate, distance from y axis, distance from y axis, and y coordinate, distance of a point from x axis. Distance, simply write distance from x axis. So to write the coordinates of A, first we find the distance of a point A from x axis and distance from y axis. Sign of coordinates are negative and positive. Sign of coordinates are negative and positive, but distance is always positive. Sign of coordinates are negative and positive according to their quadrant. According to their quadrants. See, OX is positive direction of x axis, OY negative positive direction of x axis, so plus plus. In the first quadrant, both coordinates are positive. In the second quadrant, OX dash x coordinate negative and y coordinate positive. In the third quadrant, see OX dash it is negative direction of x axis minus, and it is positive direction of x axis, so minus plus, AOX dash OY dash both coordinates are negative. In the fourth quadrant, OX positive, OY dash negative, plus in the first quadrant both coordinates are positive. In the second quadrant both x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. third quadrant, x and y both coordinates are negative. In the fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. Then how to write the coordinates of a point on the coordinate axis or in the plane? There is a point A, so distance OA, here points are not distances are not given, so we can let OA is equal to x. OA is equal to x and it is distance from y axis, so x coordinate x and y coordinate distance from x axis. Point A lies on the x axis, so distance will be 0. Similarly, the distance of point B from y axis, the distance from y axis is 0 and distance from x axis is y. Distance from x axis, this distance is y, OB y, and distance from y axis, it lies on the y axis, so 0, y. Coordinates of, there is a point C, coordinates of C, OX dash negative direction of x axis, so minus x comma 0. D negative direction of y axis, so 0 comma minus y. But distance OC is x only and distance OY minus y. Distance OD minus y. Distance is always positive but coordinates are negative and positive. If points are in plane, suppose point A is there, so its coordinates, distance from x axis and y axis, suppose distance of point A from x axis is y. Coordinates of A, x comma y. X is the distance from y axis and y is the distance from x axis. Similarly, in the second quadrant, minus x comma y, and here minus x comma minus y, and in fourth quadrant, x comma minus y. What will be coordinates of origin? Coordinates of origin are 0, 0 because the distance of point O from both axes 0. Suppose there is 1, 2, 1, 1, and there is 1 minus 2 minus 1. Suppose there is a point A, so coordinates of A 2, 0. There is point B, so coordinates 1, 0, 1. And there is a point C, so coordinates of C minus 1, 0. and coordinates of, suppose there is a point D, so coordinates of D 0, -2. There is point E, x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 1. Suppose there is point F, coordinates of x coordinate -1, y coordinate 1. There is point G, x coordinate -1, y coordinate -2. There is point H, x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is -2. So how to write the coordinates of a point? If that point is on the x-axis or in the plane or in the Cartesian plane.
Yes, extra knowledge. Actually, today video was there about the visible and invisible liquid. That's why I said the PDF about the visible and invisible liquid in written form. You can do that.
Next topic is distance formula. Distance formula. X dash, y dash. If 2 points are given, in the Cartesian plane or in xy plane, A, suppose its coordinates are x1, y1 and it is B, coordinates are x2, y2. We have to find the distance AB. So let us draw perpendicular from A to x-axis or from B to x-axis. Suppose it is M, it is M. A is perpendicular and M is perpendicular. Let us draw perpendicular A from A on BM. Suppose there is point P, AP. We have to find the distance AB. To find the distance AB, we need to find AP and BP. If AP and BP will come, then we can find distance AB using the Pythagoras theorem. Coordinates of N x1, 0 and coordinates of M x2, 0. Distance A is y1 and distance DM is y2. Distance BM is y2. Mn is equal to On here. On is x1, Om is x2, An is equal to Pm, An is equal to Pm. So Bp is equal to Bp is equal to y2 minus y1. Mn is equal to On minus On means x2 minus x1. Therefore, see, it is x2 minus x1 and it is y2 minus y1. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB is equal to under root x1 minus x2 to the whole square, x1 minus x2 to the whole square plus y1 minus y2 to the whole square, or AB is equal to, or BA is equal to under root x2 minus x1 to the whole square plus y2 minus y1 to the whole square. This is the distance formula. Let us solve some example. Find the distance of 2 points. Suppose coordinates are 2, 3 and 4, 5. AB is equal to under root 2 minus 4 to the whole square plus 3 minus 5 to the whole square. 2 minus 4 minus 2 to the whole square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 to the whole square. 4 plus 4 under root 8 is equal to 2 root 2 units. 2 root 2 units distance of AB is. x1 minus x2 to the whole square is equal to x2 minus x1 to the whole square, because a square of every real number is positive only. Next example is 2 points are given. Coordinates of A are, suppose sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta comma cos theta. Coordinates of B 0, 0. So AB is equal to under root sin theta minus 0. Sin theta minus 0 to the whole square plus cos theta minus 0 to the whole square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, and we know that from identity of trigonometry, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, root 1 is equal to 1. 1 unit is the distance of AB. Thank you very much.